Are you tired of worrying about what chemicals might be leaching into your family's food? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 absolute best non-toxic rice cookers that'll give you perfect results without any of those nasty PFAS, PFOA, or other dangerous coatings. These are the real deal, folks. Let's dive in. And hey, I've got all the product links waiting for you down in the description box below. Coming in at number 5, you've got the Aroma Select Stainless Rice Cooker. And let me tell you, this thing delivers exceptional value for health-conscious families like yours who want pure cooking without any chemical interference. You're looking at a 3-cup uncooked capacity model with genuine 304 grade stainless steel construction that completely eliminates any coating concerns while giving you reliable performance every single time. That coating-free stainless steel inner pot ensures zero chemical leaching into your rice, making every single grain perfectly safe for your family. The one-touch operation with automatic keep warm function makes meal prep a breeze while maintaining that optimal serving temperature for hours without overcooking your rice. What makes the Aroma Select really special is its compact design that fits perfectly in smaller kitchens while delivering consistent results. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup absolutely effortless, and the durable construction means this cooker will serve your family for years without any performance issues. The simple operation requires no complicated programming or multiple buttons, making it perfect for anyone who just wants straightforward rice cooking. Independent testing confirms even heat distribution that produces fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time without hot spots or uneven cooking. Now, the main drawback here is the limited capacity for larger families, so you might need multiple batches for big gatherings. However, that pure stainless steel construction and affordable price make the Aroma Select an excellent entry point into non-toxic cooking. At number 4, the Instant Pot Pro transforms your entire kitchen with 10 cooking functions while maintaining complete safety through stainless steel construction. This versatile appliance literally replaces multiple devices, including rice cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, and steamer, making it perfect for modern kitchens where you're prioritizing efficiency. The food-grade stainless steel cooking surface eliminates all coating concerns while delivering exceptional rice cooking performance. That pressure cooking capability reduces cooking time significantly, allowing you to prepare rice in under 15 minutes while preserving maximum nutritional value. What makes the Instant Pot Pro absolutely outstanding is its smart programming that automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on your selected grain type. The large capacity handles family-size portions effortlessly, and that sealed cooking environment locks in flavors while preventing nutrient loss during preparation. The app connectivity allows remote monitoring and control, letting you start cooking before you even arrive home. Advanced safety features include automatic pressure release and multiple backup systems that ensure worry-free operation even if you're a beginner using pressure cooking functions. The main limitation here is the learning curve for maximizing all 10 functions, which might overwhelm you if you just want simple rice cooking. However, the versatility and stainless steel safety make the Instant Pot Pro an excellent investment for families embracing healthy cooking. At number 3, the Aroma Professional Purple Clay represents the absolute pinnacle of natural cooking with its completely chemical-free ceramic construction. This 12-cup capacity multicooker uses traditional purple clay material that has been safely cooking food for thousands of years without any synthetic coatings whatsoever. The natural purple clay cooking pot provides superior heat retention and even temperature distribution that produces restaurant-quality rice every single time. This ancient material naturally enhances flavors while adding beneficial minerals to your food, creating a healthier cooking experience than any modern alternative out there. What makes the Aroma Professional really special is its multi-cooking capability that handles rice, quinoa, soups, and stews with equal expertise. The large capacity serves big families or meal preppers perfectly, while the programmable settings ensure consistent results regardless of grain type or your cooking preference. The natural clay material actually develops improved cooking properties over time, becoming more seasoned with each use, just like traditional cookware. The slow, even heating prevents burning while allowing flavors to develop naturally, resulting in superior taste compared to conventional rice cookers. The main drawback here is longer cooking times compared to pressure-based models, so you'll need patience for perfect results. However, the completely natural construction and exceptional flavor enhancement make the Aroma Professional absolutely worth the investment for purists seeking traditional cooking methods. At number 2, the GreenLife electric rice cooker combines modern convenience with certified non-toxic ceramic coating that eliminates all PFAS and PFOA concerns. This 6-cup cooked capacity model delivers consistent results while maintaining the highest safety standards for health-conscious families like yours who are prioritizing clean cooking. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick interior provides effortless food release and easy cleanup without any chemical exposure. The one-switch design simplifies operation, while that automatic keep warm function maintains perfect serving temperature for hours without overcooking your rice. What makes the GreenLife Electric exceptional is its space-saving design that maximizes counter efficiency while providing adequate capacity for small families. The dishwasher-safe removable pot eliminates tedious hand washing, and the included rice paddle and measuring cup ensure perfect proportions every single time. The ceramic coating delivers superior heat distribution that prevents hot spots and ensures evenly cooked rice from top to bottom. The compact footprint fits perfectly in smaller kitchens, while the attractive design complements modern appliances without dominating your counter space. The main limitation is the smaller capacity that requires careful portion planning for larger families or gatherings. However, the certified non-toxic coating and reliable performance make the GreenLife Electric an outstanding choice for safety-focused households seeking dependable rice cooking. And at number 1, the GreenLife Digital Rice Cooker represents the perfect balance of safety, technology, and performance with its advanced ceramic coating and intelligent cooking system. This 4-cup cooked capacity model features fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking parameters for flawless results every single time. The certified PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free ceramic coating ensures completely safe cooking while providing exceptional non-stick performance. The digital display with preset functions eliminates all guesswork, allowing you to select optimal settings for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and other grains with single-button convenience. What makes the GreenLife Digital absolutely extraordinary is its fuzzy logic processor that monitors cooking progress and adjusts temperature and timing automatically. This intelligent system prevents overcooking while ensuring perfect texture regardless of grain type or quantity, delivering restaurant-quality results consistently. The compact design accommodates 1 to 4 people perfectly, while that automatic keep warm function maintains ideal serving temperature for hours. The dishwasher-safe ceramic pot simplifies cleanup, and the sleek digital interface adds modern sophistication to any kitchen countertop. The main drawback is the higher price point compared to basic models, though the advanced features absolutely justify the investment. However, the combination of certified safety, intelligent cooking, and consistent results makes the GreenLife Digital the ultimate choice for discerning home cooks. These 5 non-toxic rice cookers eliminate harmful chemicals while delivering perfect results every single time. Choose based on your capacity needs and budget, folks. Check the description for current pricing and availability. Happy cooking!